Hey guys, today I'm very excited. I'm going to show you how you can design a very top-notch looking mobile app tab bar following grid so you make no basic mistake but your design looks amazing in Figma. Alright, to get started, we will follow this safety guide so we don't make any guideline mistake. For this one, you can actually go to this file. This is actually a free Figma community file you can find on Figma community, and once you get this file, you can go to layout guides and safety areas. Then you can actually just take this and copy paste here so you can follow the spacing. All right, so we will click on this and then click on layout grid and then click on column. We'll go with 5 tabs or 5 icons. So we'll go with 5. We'll give it 16 pixel margin, and then for gutter, we just can do it 2. All right. Now let's take our first icon here. We'll go to plugin and then search for huge icons. Amazing icon library. All right. So what we need home. Search for home. We'll go with standard, make it a little bit bigger so you can see this. Let's try with this home icon. Okay. Let's try to actually type here, or maybe without text, we'll go just with icons, or maybe we will type home. Okay. We close it for now, give it 16 pixel size. Maybe, yeah, we will just click both of them and shift A for auto layout. Yeah. Looks like they are not matching together. This is medium, but there's a little bit of light. So we'll just increase the pixel size to maybe 1.8. Yeah, so it looks good to me. Yeah. We'll just make sure both of them are same color, so it will look really good. Click here and then a little bit different color. We will make sure this is in the middle of this grid. So just make sure we take shape to make sure it's centered. Okay, it's centered. Now we'll make sure this is under this size. So just we can just take a ruler. Yeah, it's already there. Okay, a little bit up. Make it 4 pixel, 2 pixel. All right. Now we followed the guidelines. Now what we can do, you can just duplicate it here and edit. Make sure all of them are centered. Yeah. Okay, now just delete it. So we got the icons. Now we will change them. This is home. Maybe we can go with 15 pixel font size. Okay. And apply the same style all over there. So now let's change the icons. Maybe this is search. Maybe this is search. Okay, now let's change the icons. Go to again, plugin and open it. We will try now search. Click here. Click on the icon and then click here. Or let's try different icons. No, it's not good. What about this? No, maybe I like this. All right. Now type here search. We make it like cart. We make it like orders. We make it profile or just me. Okay. So now add here cart icon. We say cart. All right. Let's choose the best one. These, or let's try this. Maybe we will go with this one or this one, I think. Okay. For orders, we need maybe a list like this. Let's try different keywords. Yeah, maybe this is just a profile. So just me, or I think user, I think. We will go with this icon. All right. Close it for now. And then we'll just make sure we close or hide the grid for now. So we have also hide this all. Command R. Shift R actually. Okay. So let's make sure we make them nicer. So this is actually 1.8 pixel. We make sure all of them are 1.8 pixel. 1.8. Okay. Now let's make sure only this is active and all of them are not active. So we can just take gray color for now. Actually, I think this is too bold. Maybe. So yeah, maybe regular is good for now. Yeah. And let's again go back to our original. Let's again go back to our original maybe stroke size 1.5. Now let's also make sure, for this active one, let's try a solid field icon. Go there and I can click on this. Go here and then search for home. We'll try this one. Looks good. Or maybe this one. This one. Which one I should go with? Let's go with this one for now. Okay, I like it. Now that we have our active tab a little bit bolder, so it's clear it's active and all of them are a little bit of gray, right? So that it looks like it is active and they're not active. Okay. Let's now think, what should we do actually? So what is the size 24? Let's try a little bit of smaller size to see if that looks really good. So what we'll do, we'll try to go with, maybe first we try to make this size a bit smaller, 14, 14 here, 14 and 14 and also 14. Okay, see the guidelines again. Okay, we have some spacing here. What we can do, just increase it to 4. So it would look a little bit good, I think. Yeah. All right. Now, actually, let's take a ruler here as well. So what we can do, we can just them a little bit up, or yeah. So we can actually increase it a little bit more. It will look really good. All right. Now just take it out for now. And Shift R to hide the ruler again. Yeah, it looks good. Now let's see what we can do. Should we try smaller size, or maybe should we try this different size? No, I think it looks good. Home, search, cart, orders, and me. Yeah. All right. So now that we actually followed the grid for better spacing, and also we followed the safety areas. Now also this one. So it looks good, good for developer and good for the product. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestion, please make a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.